Hey sports fans, are you ready for some football? Are you ready for March Madness? Well, at RX Catering, of course, we got you covered. We've been over here creating and cooking with love, and we have the perfect items for that Super Bowl party or that March Madness event. They'll make your guests feel like they came and enjoyed a great game, but also some good food. So let's get started with, let me show you here. Wings are your typical football food, really, but at RX Catering, we have jerk wings. Not only that, we have lemon pepper wings, and we have a few other options that you can check out on our website. But what makes a great party too, and what's fun and easy, are dips. And of course, we have them. Right here, we have spinach dip, we have a buffalo chicken dip, and of course, you can't have an event without chips and salsa. So we got you covered there too. Also here are meatballs. We have a wide variety of meatballs that will go perfect for your event. Barbecue and chili Thai are what we have here today, but if you look at our website, you can check out the other options as well. Now you're probably wondering, you know, all this other stuff, this is not typical football or March Madness food, right? But you know what, at RX Catering, we don't do anything typical. So I want to give you some options for that upgraded event. So we have right here our empanadas. We have it in beef, chicken, and also bean. And it comes with our special homemade sauce that we make in-house. Fabulous. Not only that, but look at this, you all. I mean, what event would you not be at that wouldn't have a charcuterie board? Made with love, of course, a variety of different cheeses, meats, and olives. Perfect for not only that Super Bowl event, but like I said, that March Madness. So, you know, fellas, if you want some ladies, or ladies, if you want to tempt some of the guys to come over, you want to have something fancy, but yet classy. And we have it right here. So we also have some other options. I know, again, they wouldn't be your typical game food option, but again, we're upgrading. We're upgrading your event to make it a memorable event for the game and also the food. So of course we have some crab balls. These are actually little mini crab cakes, a nice fruit platter. And last but not least, we have not your traditional shrimp cocktail, but we have a lime cilantro shrimp cocktail with a zesty cocktail sauce. So you know what? We're making this so easy for you all. All you have to do is check out our website at rxcatering-dc.com, place your order. We show up, you enjoy the game with great food.